Guys, I'm playing for Outbreak and then I'm playing for Infection and then there was a new update called Blackout and then boom, it's a blackout guys. I don't have a flashlight. I only have this, a punch, and the knife, and then incredible, incredible, and then a raper, a royal battle axe, an energy sword, a fire axe, a hope edge, and a shield, and a katana. I hope no one finds me here.